Hello, this is how to use frogblog on the website. So first thing, you go to frogblog, you add here frogblog slash WP admin, so that allows to access the CMS of the website. Now here you add the username and the password that we will provide to you. Over here, you can see something called post, media, and something called users. So let's start with media. The media, so there's two parts, something called library and add new. Let's go to the library. The library include all the pictures that you added before and all the pictures that you can modify and customize. So let's add a new picture. For example, this picture. Okay. Over here you see something called dimensions. The dimensions is here 2048. It's really important that the dimensions to be square. So when you add a new picture to the post, you can modify it the way you want. Let's go back to the library. In the library here, there's something called editing images. For example, when I click on this image, not this one, how about this one? This one is not a square image, so you can modify it as you want. Let's click on edit more details. Over here you see a full display for the image. Click on edit image. On the edit image here, on this part, you can change the width and the height of the image. Now what you need to do is change the width and the height to be similar to each other. There's something here called crop. What you can do is crop this one in a way to make it square as possible. Let's try this one for example. Let's click on crop. Over here on the right hand side, if you see when I try to select, it shows you the width and the height that I selected. It's here 1032, 1036. Okay, now it's 1362 with 1300. Now let's make it similar. Okay, cool. Now we can crop. Now you have a square image. It's either this way or you can do it in Photoshop. Now click save. This will save the image with a new dimension. If you click again on edit image, you see here the new dimensions we added to the image. Let's go back to posts. Over here on posts, there's all posts, add new, categories, tags. Let's start with tags. Here are the tags that you can add any tag that you want to add it to the blog. And it's really simple. All what you need is write anything here, like let's try test, add a new tag. You can put a description for the tag. Categories as well, here you can add any category that you wish. Let's try to put test, and you can use parent to put a parent category, or you can put, or you can leave it so there is no parent. And you can add a description of the category. Let's add a new category. Okay, now there's adding new post. Let's click on that. Over here, you see here you can add a post title. You can add anything you want. Let's put this. Here you can add the image. You can add text. This editor here is similar to the Word document editor. You can add aligning left, center, right, and justify. You can add block quote. You can add the list. You can add list of number, and there is bold, italic, underline, and there is every type of modification that you want. Here you can add the H1, H2, H3, H4. We advise for the SEO nobody use the H1, so you can use the H2 for anything you want. Here the font type. We prefer that if you didn't choose the font type, so it gets the parent font from the original website. Here there is the font size. You can choose any size you want. Font color, for background color. Here you can put show blocks. There's everything here is really simple. Here is the link. Okay, let's add a new picture here. This is the picture we just uploaded. Over here on the left hand side, you can choose the aligning of the picture, and you can choose to make the picture smaller or bigger. And if you see here under the cursor, there is numbers that's showing you what is the width and the height of the image that you just modify. We prefer that you put all the width and the height of any image you add is 170, so it looks similar on every page. Now you can click here to right to put it on the right hand side, to put it on the left hand side. Let's keep it on the left hand side for now. Now you can add here any text that you want. And here you can add the featured image that shows on the first blog page. Let's show this one too. Set featured. Now we can click preview before publishing this page. Let's click preview. Here you go. There is the picture alignment right to the left, and you see the text here. This is the blog title. Let's try to put a H1, for example, a H2. Preview. Let's put a H2 color, font color to black. Preview. So it's showing now. And as you see now, everything it's really simple. It's just like Word document. You can put space here if you don't want it to be like this. Review. Cool. Now let's see how to add a post to a certain category. On the right hand side, there is all the categories that added to the website: news, test, and categorized. Uncategorized, we don't prefer to put uncategorized because it's not good for SEO. So it's probably for the best to add it to a certain category. Let's put it to the test category, for example. You can add any category as well from here. You can just add like this, test one. But we prefer just to add one category for every post. So let's keep it on test. Here tags, you can choose test, add. Okay. Let's click publish. Perfect. Refresh. Let's go to frogblog. As you see here, all the text that we added, a button or read more button, the featured image we added, and the blog title. You can click on the blog title. Let's go back. Click on the blog title. Take you to over here. You see the text, the picture we added. So as you see here, there is the picture. This picture giving you the hand that's showing that there is a link over here. This is not good because it might affect the SEO. So what we have to do is click on this one. As you see here, there is link and delete link. Let's click to unlink. Now the link is gone. Click update. Refresh here. Perfect. Now let's see how to add a new users. This is totally how to add a new post. It's really simple and easy to use. Let's take a look how to add a new users. Go to users, add a new. Here there is the username. Go test, email, test@test.com. You can add the user information, the website of the user, the password. You can add anything, but we prefer that you make it as the strings indicator here. Let's try this password, for example. You see here it's showing that there is strong. You can send this password for the new user email, or you can it's up to you. There's here subscriber, author, editor, administrator. We prefer if someone is going only to add a new post to click on editor. Administrator is only for editing, coding, and other type of stuff. Click add the new user. So the new user is currently over here. If you want to delete a user, just click on the user, delete, apply. Or he will give you this screen showing you that do you want to delete the content all the content that user added, or attribute all the content to a certain user. You can click attribute all the content to a certain user, and you can choose any user you want. Let's try info, confirm deletion, and that's it. Let's take a look how to delete the pictures. You can choose here on the left hand side list. Choose the pictures that you added. Delete permanently. Apply. Let's go to see how to delete the posts. Choose the post. Move to trash. Apply. As you see, there is in the trash two trash posts. Let's try to see what those. If you delete a post that you might think that you deleted by mistake, you can go to trash and undelete it. Click on restore, or you can select it all and delete it. We prefer if you delete it from trash as well, because it will give you ability to add in new stuff again. That's it. This is how to add a new post to the website. Please try to, when you finish from adding new blogs for the security, please try to log out. Thank you for watching.